Hi, I'm here in this city of Toronto with this Rob and this Liz to try these ice cream muskmelon high chews. Oh my gosh, doesn't that just sound like luxury? The most luxurious melon mixed with the most luxurious form of ice cream. I'm so excited I can barely open the container. Here's one for you.
Hi, chew to you too.
Here's one for you.
Hi, chew to you too.
And there's one for me. Hi, chew to me. Let's take a look at the outside. Pale green, white center, not too surprising, usual form. Smell? Mostly ice cream, some melon. Right?
Yeah.
Quite ice creamy, yeah.
Yeah, you really, that's with her. Let's chew. Bouncy, but pretty soft chew. Melon flavor is immediate. Ice cream, taking its time. Some vanilla. What are we feeling? What are we tasting?
I don't know I don't know about bouncy. It seems like sort of plasticky almost to me.
Mmm.
Thing is, I've never had a muskmelon.
Mmm.
More cantaloupe than musk, but
They're very similar melons.
can't say I've ever had them.
There we go.
It's good. It's a nice little candy.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Definitely a good chew.